How to navigate to AudioLab dashboard. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are on the main dashboard. At the top, you will see the recently used tools that you have accessed before. Below this, you will find the audio editing tools such as trim, split, merge, convert, compress, reverse, silence removal, and many more. After that, there are AI editing tools like AI Stems Splitter, vocal removal, and other advanced features. Next, you will see the recording tools including record, phone recording, and karaoke options. The dashboards also includes video editing tools such as trim, audio to video, compress, splitter, volume booster, loop, and more. You will also find batch processing tools like multi-mix audio, multi-convert, and others for efficient editing of multiple files at once. In the other tools section, there are options like text-to-speech, speech-to-text, and additional utilities. Finally, the output section allows you to locate your exported audio and video files easily. At the bottom of the screen, you can access options such as subscription, help, contact, and settings. Now you know how to navigate to AudioLab dashboard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.